Hello, dear children. Good morning, children. Today I am going to continue the reading part of your lesson 9 Fire, Farming, and Wheel. So, all of you open page number 283 in your textbook, children. We have completed the reading part of Life of Early Humans, Discovery of Fire, Creating Fire. And in today's class, we are going to start from beginning of farming. Beginning of farming. BEGINNING. Beginning of FARMING. Farming. Early EARLY. Early. Humans HUMANS. Humans. Moved MOVED. Moved. From place PLACE. Place to place. In search SEARCH. Search of food FOOD. Food and water WATER. Water. After some time they realized REALISED. Realized that settling SETTLING. Settling near RIVER. River BANKS. River banks gave them easy access ACCESS. Access to water. They could COULD. They could also catch CATCH. Catch fish using USING. Using their sharp SHARP. Sharp weapons WEAPONS. Weapons or tools TOOLS. Tools. This solved SOLVED. Solved the problem PROBLEM. Problem of having HAVING. Having to hunt for food. As early EARLY. Early humans HUMANS. Humans began living LIVING. Living on river banks. They made some observations. OBSERVATIONS. They made some observations. They observed OBSERVED. Observed that plants produced PRODUCED. Produced SEEDS. Seeds which could be eaten. 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 They also discovered DISCOVERED. Discovered that when seeds fell on the ground, new plants sprouted. SPROUTED. Sprouted from them in a few days. In order to grow, INORDER. In order to GROW. Grow. PLANTS. Plants on their own. Early EARLY. Early humans HUMANS. Humans collected COLLECTED. Collected these seeds SEEDS. Seeds and spread SPREAD. Spread them on the land closer CLOSER. Closer to the river banks. These seeds began BEGAN. Began to grow into plants. 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 Gradually GRADUALLY. Gradually early humans started STARTED. Started digging D-I-G-G-I-N-G, digging the soil, using U-S-I-N-G, using stone, S-T-O-N-E, stone tools to plough, P-L-O-U-G-H, plough the land. This was the beginning, B-E-G-I-N-N-I-N-G, beginning of farming, F-A-R-M-I-N-G, farming and agriculture, A-G-R-I-C-U-L-T-U-R-E, farming and agriculture. Next, invention of wheel, I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N, invention of wheel, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Early humans carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried heavy things, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, T-H-I-N-G, is things, on their back from one place to another. It was very difficult, D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult. Therefore, they made carts, C-A-R-T-S, carts, on which loads were carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried from one place to another. But these carts were without wheels and moved, M-O-V-E-D, moved very slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly. They could push or pull them easily, E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily, only on level ground, L-E-V-E-L, level, G-R-O-U-N-D, only on level ground. But it was difficult, D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult to pull these carts on uneven rocky lands. It is believed, B-E-L-I-E-V-E-D, believed that early humans might, M-I-G-H-T, might have noticed, N-O-T-I-C-E-D, noticed, round, R-O-U-N-D, round, S-T-O-N-E-S, stones, rolling, R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling, faster, F-A-S-T-E-R, faster, down hills than the flat ones. This might have led them to search, S-E-A-R-C-H, search for similar, S-I-M-I-L-A-R, similar, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects. In the process, P-R-O-C-E-S, process, they may have discovered, D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R-E-D, discovered that the round pieces, P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces cut from tree trunks, T-R-U-N-K-S, trunks, rolled, R-O-L-L-E-D, rolled, easily, E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily. That is how the wheel came about. Early humans, H-U-M-A-N-S, humans, fixed the wheels to their carts. Now they could easily pull, P-U-L-L, pull their carts even on the R-O-C-K-Y, rocky grounds. Traveling, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-I-N-G, traveling on land became much quicker and easier. Later, they made carts, C-A-R-T-S, carts that could be pulled, P-U-L-L-E-D, pulled by bullocks, B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S, bullocks. Thus, invention, I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N, invention of wheel, greatly, G-R-E-A-T-L-Y, greatly, changed, C-H-A-N-G-E-D, changed the life of early human. So this is all about the reading part of your lesson 9, fire, farming and wheel. So Children, all of you read the lesson carefully, pronounce the words. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me, children. Okay? Bye, children. Thank you.